The first step to upgrading any outfit in 2025 is knowing your signature style. Are you drawn to minimalism, or do you love making a bold statement? Your accessories should always reflect your personality. When you choose pieces that feel authentic, your confidence shines through every look. Next, do not be afraid to mix metals and materials. In 2025, fashion is all about harmony, not rules. Gold, silver, leather, pearls. If it flows together, it works together. Blending textures and finishes adds depth and interest, making your outfit feel curated and unique. Let your earrings do the talking. This year, bold earrings paired with sleek hair are everywhere. Whether you love big hoops or geometric studs, go for it. Statement earrings instantly elevate even the simplest outfit, drawing attention to your face and adding personality. Sunglasses are more than just sun protection. They shape your face and define your look. Oversized, angular frames with attitude are trending in 2025. And do not forget the power of bags. Sculpted mini crossbodies, half moons, and baguettes are both functional and fabulous, turning any outfit into a statement. Belts are back in a big way, defining your waist and your vibe. Try a corset belt over a blazer for a total power move. And in 2025, accessories are smart. Think NFC rings and AR glasses that multitask as style and tech. Finally, anchor your look with one hero piece. Layer thoughtfully and let your accessories elevate, not overwhelm. Upgrade your style, one accessory at a time. For more tips and the hottest,